Now let's deal with the head. So move the indicator to where the hands start animating, right here. Okay, and let's animate the head. So let's bring the head actually to that point now. Okay, and hide it and convert it to a smart object. Okay, and you can hide the animation options for the hands. We don't need them. Now let's do the same thing for the head. Let's reveal it from behind the body. So open the animation options for it. Okay, right here at, what is that, 15 frames. Okay, add a transform keyframe. Then after 10 frames add another one, and after 5 frames add another one, just what we did for the hands. Okay, now add this keyframe, drag the head behind the body, and you can add the physics effects as usually like this. Then at this point move the head a little bit further so it will bounce up, then get back to the original position. And of course you can add the physics effects here, and let's see that. Fantastic. Again, after 10 frames nothing will happen for the head as we did for the hands, so add a keyframe here and do nothing with that keyframe. Okay, now after that the head will start waving, and it will happen at the same time when the hands wave. Okay, so at 10 frames you can see between 10 and 20 the first waving will happen, so add a keyframe there. Okay, fantastic. Now select the head and press Ctrl T, zoom in a little bit. Okay, now move the reference point to this corner here and add, let's say, -20 this time for the head. Okay, -20. That's cool. Then after 10 frames again add a keyframe there, and I want the head to get back to the original position, so move the indicator to 10 frames and add that keyframe, right click and copy it, and right here at 3 seconds paste it, and you can see now the head will have that animation, which is cool. Now we want the head to wave, but this time to the opposite side. To do that, after 10 frames add another keyframe, then right here press Ctrl T, move the reference point to the opposite direction this time, and this time add an angle of 20, not -20, 20, so it will wave but to the opposite side. Fantastic. Then move the indicator to another 10 frames, add a keyframe there, and I want it to get back to the first position, so copy the first position from this keyframe here and get back to the last keyframe we create, right click, then choose paste. Fantastic. Now I want to repeat this process again, so you can copy all these keyframes now, right there, select all of them, copy, then right here right click and choose paste. Okay, fantastic. And by doing that we have the animation for 5 seconds, which is exactly what we wanted. So in the next lecture we will reveal the Android world, and of course we finished all the hard works. So thank you for watching this, and see you in the next and last lecture.